The best tool for finding winning products for Shopify dropshipping. That's what you are going to discover in this video. It's Rolland Peter here from Power to Scale, where we help you with actionable strategies to build, grow, and scale your business. If you are new here, make sure to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any video from me. Stay tuned. I usually like to start with an affirmation. You can repeat after me if you don't mind. I openly accept wealth, prosperity, and abundance now. I openly accept wealth, prosperity, and abundance now. Again, I openly accept wealth, prosperity, and abundance now. One of the reasons I use affirmation is that they are positive statements that aim to direct your conscious and subconscious mind, that will instill belief in you that you can do that thing you set out to do and ultimately change your life. Okay, let's talk about the best tool for finding winning dropshipping products for your Shopify store. Finding a product can be a daunting task. If you are like me, you don't want to gamble with your e-commerce business. That's why I use an array of tools to conduct product research to find proven products that are already working that I can list on my shop and sell back into the marketplace. The key to success in e-commerce is to model after what is working. The name of the tool is called Adspy. It's a paid tool and is well worth the investment. So let's jump straight into it. Here is the tool. When you sign up and log into your account, you'll be presented with this dashboard. Add search. So this is a link to your account. But on the dashboard, we are right here on the add search. So what we normally do is to go to technology and type in Shopify. You can equally select Shopify Direct as well. So these are all the products that are being sold on Shopify. Then another thing you can do is to select gender, either male or female, but all of those things doesn't really matter. Then ages, you can select the age. You can select the age. Maybe your product is targeting people from the ages of 25. Then in terms of like, you can move it to say maybe 100 likes or more, but I normally don't mess about with these features. Total likes, network, language, definitely is going to be English. You just play with it. There's no right or wrong way to use this tool. The most important thing is you are able to conduct search. So you have a site type. Maybe you want to find products on Facebook or Instagram. Maybe you can say, okay, I want to find products on Instagram. So it will pull all the products that are being sold using Instagram platform. Usually I like to leave it on Facebook or Instagram. So it's still going to pull up all of those ads. Then you can search by comments, add text by comments. I normally leave this feature or by, if you know the store URL, the landing page URL, the advertiser's name, you can select them and enter those. Then in terms of the button, you can select learn more, shop now. This is usually the most common call to action for dropshipping products. So off the bat, it has pulled up a few products here. If I'm looking for products to list on my shop, would be products that have been listed. The age of the product is very, very important. A product that have been listed within the last 30 days are good, but products that have been listed within the last 3 days, last 7 days, and last 14 days are even better. If you are selling a product that is old, you might be jumping into that product when it has already played out. You don't want to launch a product that's already played out. I like to select by shares because this will give you an indication to if the product is doing very well based on shares and comments. What you want to do is created. Maybe we'll select April, then seen between May 1st to May the 8th. You scroll through to find products that have a lot of traction like this. This is a custom doormat. You can see that the comment is 22k plus comments, and look at the number of shares, then look at the number of like 23k likes. And you can find print on demand companies like T-Launch, Printful, Printify that will easily make a foot mat for your shop. Then just keep scrolling. This product here with 13,000 plus comments. This is a typical example of what I'm talking about. This ad was created on the 13th of February 2020, and this ad was last seen on the 5th of May. And we can see that it has 15,000 plus comments and 10k shares. It actually shows you the country that they are running this ad store. That's why this tool is fantastic. So you are not going to be thinking about, okay, where's this ad being shown? Which country should I target? Like this one, they are targeting a lot of countries with these ads, and they are targeting male and female. And for this one, it's just female that they are targeting with their ads. So keep scrolling down. This ad was created April 27, 2020. Click on the product. It's going to show you the likes over time. You can see the trend over time, which is a decent upward trend. It will show you a whole bunch of other details like the URL to the shop, the final URL to the shop, so you can actually click through. So this is the shop that is selling that same product. You can see how the product page is laid out. If you want to sell a product like this, you can easily find this product on AliExpress. You are not going to be second guessing if people like this product or if this product is selling. And another cool thing you can do is to click through, view it on Facebook. Then what you will do when you get to Facebook is to click on newest comments to analyze this product further. You can see that 11 minutes ago, somebody engaged with this ad. Then 6 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago. So the advertiser is still actively driving traffic to this product. They are still spending a bunch of money driving traffic to this product. Then another thing you want to do is to make sure that the product has not played out. You can equally still go to the ads library. Then boom, this is the ad. They are running just one ad to this product and it's still very much active. Don't you see the value of this tool is the best, is by far the best that I've ever seen. I have a couple of tools that I use, but this is by far the best that I have seen in the marketplace. Then you can click back to Adspy. Let's keep scrolling down. There's a lot of products here. Just keep scrolling down. Even if you don't want to sell this same exact product, and I don't see any reason you don't want to sell this product. Look at this product. The countries that they are targeting is United States and Canada, male and female, ages 26 to 50. You can see the number of comments for this product, 14,000 plus, 16K likes, 15K shares. This is definitely a product you want to check out and research further by clicking to view it on Facebook. You want to, I forgot to mention what you want to do again is to click through to the product page, add to cart, so that when they launch new product, Facebook will start showing you all the other products that they launch. So let's say we'll buy it now. So Facebook is going to add you to a pool of people that added this product to cart, and they will retarget you with this ads, and Facebook will automatically start showing you ads from this store. So you see that 5 minutes ago, somebody tagged another person on this ad. It's not about what you like. It's about what the market likes and what they are responding to. So this is how you find a 6-figure product using this tool. It's a very good tool. So if you can afford the investment, just go for it. Look at the trend. Look at the trend, like over time. This go to show you that this product is still trending and it has generated a lot of attention and interest in the marketplace. So that is how you use this tool to find 6 figures winning product to sell on your own store. So you click back to the ads. Then you can even say, okay, let's move this one back and let's select products for female. Let's select female. Let's say the products that we have to sell, we are targeting female only. And you know that females make the buying decisions in most of the homes. So you scroll down off the bat, you can see all the cool products that are targeting female. So there's going to be a link in the description for you to subscribe to Adspy, or you just type in Adspy on Google. Basically, this is how you use this cool tool to find winning products to dropship on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will personally answer them for you. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to get notification each time I upload a new video. I have a free PDF titled The Ultimate Winning Products Blueprint that will help you to find winning products, and the link is in the description below. Thank you so much once again for watching. I'll see you in the next video and just keep watching.